Hey there everyone, Rob Anderson here, illusionist in Las Vegas. We are in Las Vegas on the Strip doing street magic, and I just ran into Samaj and Diana. They've been together 8 years. We're talking about that tonight with our first trick because I want to take you back about 8 years to some of your first dates with our first trick, all right? Maybe you held hands, got to know each other. Tonight you're gonna hold hands in a minute here. Samaj needs you to hold your right hand out like this. Great. Diana, could you hold your right hand out like this? Perfect. Great, now look at those nails, by the way, fantastic, man. I got the 9 of hearts there, all right? I'm gonna hand this to Samaj. Diana's hand will go on top, so you're sort of holding hands like on some of those first dates. They're good dates. I could tell by that smile they were good dates. That's great. I like you guys. 2 of hearts. Hearts are better for you to have, represents love. I think you should have the hearts. I just want you to tell me, do you feel that yes? You feel that yes? You feel that yes?
Yes.
All right, did you feel that?
Oh.
Look what you have.
Nah, that's
Look.
not real.
Hearts. It's a way better card for you two to have.
That's good.
Thank you. I'm gonna take that back. Thank you very much. You two found each other. They knew each other in high school. That's amazing. You bonded, and that's special. We're gonna talk about that bond, a little bit of magic. We're gonna need a marker. I'm gonna hand this to you. Hang on to that. We'll need that in just a minute. We're gonna get a couple of cards for this. Samaj, just say stop anywhere you want.
Stop.
Okay, that was quick. Nice and easy. We'll use the 6 of diamonds. That'll be your card. Uncap that marker and put your name on the 6 for me. Right below my thumb in that area of the card, right in that area of the card, you can put your name. We know that when we see your name on there, we know it's your card that you signed. I didn't bring any others like this. We're gonna leave it face up in the deck. We will come back to it, okay? We're gonna get a card for you as well. We'll use the 5 of clubs. I'd like you to sign the 5. Put your name somewhere in that general area of the 5. That's okay, you're doing great. Perfect, yes. Diana, so we know that we have one signed card face up. This one's signed, it's gonna go face down. I'm not going to try to find them. They are gonna find each other like this. I want you to think of a happy memory you've spent together as I take that marker back. And I'd like you to both reach in and pinch the deck, just squeeze the deck just like that for me. Little squeeze on the deck and let go. You just made your cards find each other. She doesn't think I can do it.
I don't think you can either.
There's one card face up because we left it that way and we know it's going to have Samaj's name on it. We left it there face up. But the card right next to Samaj's card, I think it would be special if we looked at that and we found Diana's card right next to. Thank you very much. Thank you. These 2 cards are special. They represent you both. We're gonna put them together like this so they look like they're almost one, so they're gonna start to bond kind of like you two, okay? Your experiences, exciting memories and experiences have helped bond you together, like this memory, this trip from California to Las Vegas. Exciting, creates part of your bond. Of course, all those conversations you've had have bonded you as well. Sometimes you're just sitting around figuring out what to watch on Netflix, but that's part of your story too. And we now have 2 intertwined cards.
Yeah.
Could you pinch the top card where Diana's name is, right in the top there? Oh, hold on to it, right in the middle. Closer to the middle? Perfect, right there. Diana, could you hold on to the bottom card where Samaj's, his name's on there. Hold on to the bottom card, there we go. I just want you to think of a bonding moment. You can feel this happening. Yes, you feel this as I remove only the part that does not matter. Let go. Leaving you with an impossible.
Hey, that was good, man.
Thank you. Representation of your bond together. Hey, I need you to hold your right hand out one more time just like that for me, please. Thank you so much. With your other finger, with your other hand, could you point one finger like that? Great. I'd like you to place that finger on top of this card. This is a little bit different. Place your finger on top. Great. Hold it in place. It's blank. There's currently nothing on there. Very dramatic music to end this show with. Currently nothing on here. We need to make this into an actual card though, okay? With nothing on here just yet, I'm gonna let you decide what we turn this card into, okay? It's gonna be Samaj's choice. This will be any card you'd like. Your thoughts will make this happen. Take your hands back to the position they were in before, okay? Now it could be anything you'd like. We did use hearts earlier, so maybe let that guide your decision. Again, anything you would like, this card will turn into it. With your other finger, put one finger on top as I hand that back to you. Put one finger on top as I hand that back to you. Great. And just imagine that card turning into any card that you would like. Could be anything at all. This thought will go from your mind down your arms to your hands. It's happening now. Your thought will transfer right now and you'll feel it as it happens. Here it goes right now. You're gonna feel it as it happens right there. Let's see, we're gonna look to get you thought of a good card.
Okay.
Why don't you take that? And whenever you're ready, I'll let you give that card to Diana.
Yes.
Okay.
I love you.